What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jaislyn and welcome to my channel. Today I received this box right here from Cantu. I want to give a huge shout out to them for sending me this box. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and I'm just going to be showing you guys everything I got in here and maybe show you some hairstyles that we can do with whatever was sent in here. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. It says show us your summer hairstyles. So I am thinking, just from looking at the box, that there's going to be some hair wraps in here, which I'm excited because you can rock hair wraps all summer long. They're so cute and I just love all these different hairstyles that I see on social media with hair wraps and headbands. So let's go ahead and dig right into it. So this is what they sent me, you guys. There's quite a few things in here. I'm surprised. I didn't realize they were going to send me so many things. So let's start with the brushes. So the first brush that I got is this detangler brush right here. It is black, sleek. It looks like the Demon brush. It's shaped just like the Demon brush. So I wonder if it'll do the same thing as the Demon brush. If it'll detangle the same. I'll test that out, and in my next video I will give you guys like a little update on how the brush worked for me. The next brush is a Extra Shine Smoothing Updo Natural Bristle Brush. So this brush is great to use when you want to style. I already have one kind of like this that I actually bought before they sent me this box. So I'm excited to see if this one works just as well as the other one. The bristles actually feel softer than the one that I have right now. See, it says this boar styling brush is made narrow to smooth hair into an updo with ease, designed with firm natural bristles to smooth thick, curly, coily hair, plus also distribute your natural oils across strands for an enhanced shine. So it works for any hair type. So I am excited to try this. Alright, next brush we got right here is the Longer Bristles Non-Slip Grip Smooth Thick Hair Powder Brush. Honestly, you guys, I haven't used powder brushes since I was a little girl. I used to use them all the time when I was younger. That's what my mom used to use to brush her hair with, and I just remember that it used to really tug my hair. But I never used the paddle brushes with the bristles. It just had like the little plastic with the balls on the ends. Little balls always used to catch on my hair and just really pull and tug at my hair, and that's why I never really used paddle brushes ever since then. Let's see what this brush claims it'll do. It says this boar bristle smoothing brush is designed with longer bristles to reach farther into hair for a smoother finish. Designed for thick, curly, coily hair and made with natural boar bristles that distribute your natural oils across strands for enhanced shine. Perfect for blow dry styles and detangling long, thick hair. So it's supposed to be a detangling brush. I'll also try this out and give you guys an update on my next video, or maybe the video after, because I wash my hair once a week, and see if it did a pretty good job at detangling my hair or if it's a nah for me. So moving on to the next brush, it's a detangler brush. It is made with durable material and convenient shower hook to detangle with ease. So regular comb, you guys, I usually don't use combs either. I used to when I first started my curly hair journey, and I used to use a wide tooth comb and it was okay to detangle my hair, but I just feel like the detangler brush that I have now works so much better than combs. But I'll also give this one a try and let you guys know how I feel about it as well. It's a really sturdy brush, I can tell you that. It does not feel flimsy at all. It is pretty sturdy, and I do like this cute gray color, and it comes with a hook. So if you guys want to keep it in the shower, you can put like a little hook on your shower and just leave it there. So I feel like that's pretty convenient. We have one more brush, and it's a edge brush, and I actually have two of these that I got on Amazon, but I can already tell the difference just from touching the bristles right here. The bristles are a lot more softer than the other ones. The other ones are pretty hard. I'm excited to try it out because these bristles are a lot softer than the other ones that I have, and I feel like I'll be able to actually go in pretty hard and it won't hurt as much. So we have some cute hair accessories that came in here. This one has gold, like a dark gold, and it has like the yellow gold, rose gold. What else they have? Silver as hair accessories. So I'm excited to try these out with some cute looks. So we have some hair products. I get so excited when I get hair products because I just love trying. Okay, this thunder is really being rude right now. I am trying to film and it's thundering so much over here, you guys, so I apologize for that. But you know, it's nature. What can you do about it? Alright, so moving on to the next product, we got some Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curling Cream. Tried their regular curling cream or curl activator cream, which I absolutely love because I feel like it works really great on my hair. I just have to use a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. And I'm excited to try this one out and see if it's the same texture and or the same consistency, and see if it's it works the same or if it's better. So this one says that it has shea butter, mango butter, and coconut oil, and it moisturizes, defines for frizz-free curls, silicone-free, and also free from parabens, and pathways. So I'm excited to try this out. Let me know if you guys want me to try it out to see if it's a good buy or if it's a nay. Another hair product right here. We have the Cantu Edge Control Stay Gel with extra hold. So I know this is probably gonna be really good for my edges. But you know what? We have the Stay Gel right here, and we also got an edge control brush right here. What do you guys say if we test them both out and see how well they work for the hair? And it is a little sticky, so sticky and waxy. So we'll see how it'll work for my baby hairs. So what I like to do when I lay down my baby hairs is just dip it in there. Dip it a little bit, just because we're testing it out, and just swoop my baby hairs. And just swoop. Ooh. Okay. So it is definitely laying down these baby hairs. So far so good. The true test is to see if it actually stays a long time and it just doesn't lose its hold throughout the day. I laid my edges down and they look pretty good. First impressions, I really like it. Like, it's waxy, it's not very sticky, but as soon as I laid it down, my baby hairs definitely stuck down. So let's see if by the end of this video my edges are still laid down, and to see how well it worked. Alright, moving on to the next thing we got here. So next thing we got is this wrap right here. So it's like a headband, but I guess you can also wear it as like a wrap. Like if you put your hair all the way up, you can cover the back because it opens up like this. Or you can, like if you're going to the beach and you want to protect your hair, you can just open it and just have it open in the front, like the little knot. You can wear it towards the back and have this open. So let's just try it out and see how these look, because this design looks really cute. Okay, so you can rock it like this if you just want to wear like a headband. You can wear it with your hair up if you like, or you know, do like a little braid on side braid and wear it. Now the other way I was saying that you can wear it is, let's just twist it around, put the knot towards the back, and just put it over your head. And you see how I have it all the way open? You can open it like that and just have just a little bit of your hair in the back like this. So kind of like if it was a bandana, but without having to tie it, because it's a headband, because it stretches out like a bandana. And you know, just rock your earrings with your makeup, or you just can rock it like this natural with no makeup. I'm gonna grab a scrunchie real quick so I can put my hair up and see how it looks in a ponytail. So don't mind how messy my bun looks right now, but I just want to see how it looks with my hair up in a bun. Messy bun at that. It also looks cute like this. You see how the back is all covered like that? It's definitely a hairstyle you can rock. I'll probably rock this one once day 4 or 5 gets here and my hair is already a hot mess. We got another one. So this has more of a colorful print. It's cute, like with a black cami or like a black tank top or a red tank top. This will look so cute. Moving on to the next thing that we gotta have. We got this one right here, which is a extra large fabric wrap. Many ways to wear. So it is really, really long. Like really, really long. Like from here all the way to here. Alright, so let's go ahead and just try one hairstyle with this wrap. So let's go ahead and flip the hair over. I move it to the front. So what I'm going to do is just twist the scarf around my hair. Like if I was putting a towel on my head. It's rain, dude. And then I'm just going to wrap it around. Oh, there we go. Yes. It's working. I'm going to keep twisting. I'm wrapping. Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Okay, this is one hairstyle that you can rock. And it's super cute. I like it. I like it. This is so cute. Alright, so let's see another way we can wear it. Let's go ahead. I'm going to put it around my neck. Alright. And then wrap it around right here. I'm just going to twist all the way to the end and just try to loop it like this because the hair is in the way. Oh, this is a cute another hairstyle with your hair down. Like a little headband with the little knot on the top. That's cute. Let's do one more and then we can move on. So maybe we can just do like a actual like wear like a headband. So just go ahead and tie it and maybe do like a knot so it doesn't get loose. Tie it. I'm gonna do it to the side because I want the end to actually fall towards the side. So this is another cute hairstyle you can do. So now you got that cute little knot on the bottom, and you can just rock it with your hair out, or like maybe you want to, you know, cover it some, like you're trying to protect it from the sun. If you go to the beach, ooh, this would have been a cute hairstyle to wear to the beach when I went. Just like this. Okay, I am liking this one right here. I don't know about you guys. Let me know if you guys do, or if you're not, if you pass on this one, or if you would rock this. But this one is cute. I think that is it, you guys. I do not see anything else. My review on... Oh, freaking flickered. Let me hurry up before we lose power. But there you go, guys. I hope this video helped you out if you were looking into buying some of their accessories and I actually got it and was able to show you some hairstyles with it, or talk about these products a little bit before you guys went ahead and bought it. If you guys are still undecisive and want to see if these brushes actually work for, you know, my type of hair, if you guys have my type of hair, then just hold off and stay tuned for my next video, and I will give you guys an update on these brushes. But oh, we did say we were going to check on our edges, didn't we? I forgot about that. My edges are still laid down. I can tell the gel came off a little bit, but honestly, it's not fair to critique this product right now or review this product right now because I actually manipulated it with the scarf and I was tugging on it. So I will have to do a follow-up video and let you guys know if that stay gel actually worked pretty well. But I'm telling you, when I first applied it, it did work pretty well. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down below, or my little face icon will pop up right there. And most importantly, do not forget to turn on that notification bell. That way you guys won't miss out on any new videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves. Mwah.